Hey guys, making Cajun boiled peanuts today. Not using raw peanuts, we're going to do the Cajun frozen peanuts. And I don't have Slacker Mamas, so we're using Creole seasoning. I know it's kind of bright. Can I dim it? Can you see? Hopefully you can see that. But we're using that. We're going to use some good Old Bay seasoning. Of course, you got to use some garlic salt. And then I don't have any fresh banana peppers, so we're using the banana pepper rings today. And then we got pickles, homemade pickles. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to get the water ready, put the peanuts in, and then I'll join you back. While I'm filling up the water, got to mention and forgot to get out the Frank's Red Hot sauce. Alright, so now I'm going to turn my stove on. Of course, I'm going to pour some of this goodness on there. A whole lot of this goodness, actually. My husband loves some of my peanuts. He prefers this over the store-bought any day. Got that Creole seasoning going in. I like Slap Your Mama's, but when I don't have it, I will pour some of this Old Bay in. Get some good old garlic salt. Now I will not put the pickles in, nor the peppers in for a few hours toward the end. But I will put some crushed red pepper flakes in, just to bring you up the heat factor. Now I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to let it do its thing on the stove for about 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. You know, get all the flavors marinating, and then we'll be back to put the banana pepper rings and the pickles in. Stir it up. Let it cook about 15-20 minutes to get the juices of those in, and then it'll be ready. See you then. I figure I'd check back in with everybody and see how do y'all like your peanuts. Do you like Cajun? Do you like plain boiled peanuts? How do you like yours? While I'm stirring these up, getting them ready to boil, checking on the seasonings. You see the red pepper flakes in there. I hope everybody's having a good day. It's been raining here in Florida. But we'll get back to you in a few hours. Okay, everybody, we're back. Let's see what these peanuts have done since 4 hours ago. And I had to switch the burners because the other burner didn't want to act right. Okay, the water's cooked down. That's a good sign. We've gotten the flavor in the peanuts. You can do this. You can take canned peanuts. You can take frozen peanuts, the raw peanuts. You're going to have to cook the raw peanuts, of course, a lot longer. And add your flavors. What flavors you want. And make it your own. You don't have to take the store-bought peanuts, which you like, I'm sure. But make it your own, and it tastes so much better. I had people that was interested in the way I made my last batch of peanuts. So I figured I'd make this a video instead of just a short. I wish you could smell the smell right here of these Cajun peanuts. And I'm fixing to add the sweet banana peppers. They're going in. And then my homemade dill pepper, pickles. Sorry about that. We gotta make some more of those. They go way too fast around here. I know that's gonna be hot. juice and all went in on those pickles. We love the pickle juice. Alright, I'm going to give that a good stir. And then I'm going to cover it back up. Let it cook for about 10 more minutes or so, 10, 15. And then I'm going to turn the burner off and I'm just going to let it settle in that juice. And let it get nice and soft for a little bit. It's kind of irresistible because you want to dip it out, but you can if you want to. You don't have to wait. You can dip it and then just enjoy those peanuts. Make them your own. Take them. Put whatever seasonings you like. Put shrimp in them. Put ham hocks in them. Make them your own. Whatever seasonings you like. You like dill. You like the red pepper flakes. Make them your own. Again, you can buy the frozen bags like you saw me use today. You can buy the big cans of Cajun peanuts. And bring them home. Dump them in a pot. Put some water on them. Put the seasoning, the hot sauce. They're a lot better than the store-bought ones you buy. I guarantee it. Like, subscribe, share. Tell your friends. I'm going to be making more cooking videos. Canning videos. You never know with me. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.